Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of Arvind Upland 3.0 which is located in Adora, Ahmedabad, a project developed by none other than Arvind Smart Spaces. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, plot size, booking process, offers. Not just offers, but exciting offer that is payment plan by Arvind Smart Spaces at this project itself. So stay tuned until the end to know more and details of this project. But before moving further, let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate guarantee. Unlike current listing platform जहां अगर आप एक इंक्वायरी कर लेते हो तो आपका कॉन्टैक्ट शेयर हो जाने वाला है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So the project is spread across 2 to 5 acres of land parcel where they are coming up with 500 plots in this project. Now about the location part, and the project is located on Nal Sarovar Belt in Adora, Ahmedabad. So let me show you the landmarks and the connectivity of the project. So you can connect to new YMCA club in just 1 kilometer from the project. Bawla Bagodra Highway is within 10 kilometers from the location of the project. Now about the amenities part, and this project is coming up with 40 plus world-class amenities right for you with 50,000 square feet of clubhouse, 9 acre of golf course, 3 temples which includes Vishnu temple, Shiva temple and Jain Derasar, mini theatre, spa and sauna and many more amenities over here. And now coming to the plot size. So the plots here are starting from 510 to 1014 square yards. And if you convert in square feet, it starts from 4590 to 9126 square feet. Now about the booking process, and the project booking window is operational right now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual plots area as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. And yes, now about the exciting payment plan and offer which Arvind Smart Spaces has came up for this project just for you all and with limited period of time. So the 2080 payment plan which secures your future asset today. It means you just pay 20% now at the time of booking and 80% at the possession. Let's understand this with a better example. If you're purchasing a plot which is worth rupees 50 lakhs, you just pay 10 lakhs at the booking window and the rest at the time of possession. And yes, तब तक आपके plots का appreciation value भी बढ़ जाएगा. So by just paying 10 lakhs, you get appreciation of 30 to 40% on 50 lakhs itself. So everyone, this was a project overview of Arvind Upland 3.0 which is located in Adora, Ahmedabad, a project developed by Arvind Smart Spaces.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.